Here at the University of Western Australia's Department of Zoology, Don and his team have set about proving that if there's plenty of food, then honey possums will do what nature intended: proliferate. The zoologists established their very own colony of honey possums, with food laid on. Sure enough, 4 generations later, these little honey possums are reproducing beautifully. One of the keys was to develop a diet that's got the right ingredients. In particular, Don needed to know precisely how much nitrogen a honey possum needs. To find out, the team devised an ingenious experiment that called for some novel nuclear science. The tiny possums were injected with stable isotopes, oxygen-18 and a mixture of glycol and nitrogen-15. The hope was that, as the isotopes are ingested into the body, they'd indicate precisely how the possum's metabolism worked.
4 little white nipples. No little babies.
But to discover the answers, the team enlisted help from the other side of the continent. Here at the Australian Nuclear Science and Technology Organisation at Lucas Heights in New South Wales, Dr. Nick Diglevsky operates ANSTO's tandem accelerator. Don's brought with him some isotope-containing ammonia samples from possum urine and faeces for Nick to analyse.
Perfect.
Now, in an extraordinary case of nature meets nuclear science, samples from the honey possum are about to be bombarded with electrically charged atoms travelling nearly 200,000 times faster than a jet aircraft. ANSTO's tandem accelerator is so sensitive it can count the individual atoms of nitrogen that have been injected into the honey possums. It eventually comes up with a ratio of nitrogen-14 to nitrogen-15.
From that information, we can deduce what the reproductive energetics is for this particular animal, because nitrogen is very important in terms of protein, and protein is very important for a young baby developing within the animal.
The nuclear analysis provides Don Bradshaw with the first exciting clues about how much nitrogen a possum needs for successful reproduction.
We're getting about 1% enrichment at all the samples, which is excellent. It means we're picking up the N15.
If Don has his way, honey possum populations can be restored, in national parks at least. With heightened awareness of its nutritional needs, conservation of the right number of banksia trees will enable our honey possums to continue to enjoy the sweet smell of success.